Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You have Python 3, 7 or later, and you want to remove duplicate characters. Start by deciding whether order matters. If order does not matter, converting to a set is fastest. Once done, you can join the set into a string. If order matters, prepare to build a new sequence while tracking scene characters. Make sure to plan for Unicode and whitespace significance. Now choose set-based for speed or an order-preserving approach using scene tracking. Implement the chosen approach next. Once you decide to preserve order, the simplest one-liner uses dict. From keys, join dict, from keys s. This works because dicts keep insertion order. Alternatively, make a scene set and an output list. Iterate characters, check membership, append unseen ones, and add to scene. This reduces repeated work in long strings. The reason these work is that you avoid mutating the original string and you only append each character once, so complexity is linear in string length. Implement and test on examples now. Finish by validating behavior. Run the function on empty input, long repeating sequences, and multibyte Unicode characters. If you need case-insensitive deduplication, convert with casefold before processing and restore original case only if required. For very large inputs, avoid quadratic approaches, prefer dict/from keys or the scene set loop to keep O(n) time. If results look wrong, check for hidden characters like zero width spaces or different.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.